Hey everyone, this is Tyson with MJ & Co. of Quincy, and today I'm just going to be finishing up some projects that I've been working on. Nothing too strenuous or too much, but it's just mostly working on another garden bed and moving a bird bath, and then resituating my edging. And then just a couple other little projects I wanted to get done around the yard. I'm going to take you with me and let you see what I'm about to do. Alright, so the bird baths are filled, bird feeders are filled up, and I was just going to give you a quick little tour of them all filled up and how the bird garden looks right now. It's nothing spectacular, but at least the birds and chipmunks and squirrels will have something to eat. I'm going to make this pretty quick because it's pretty windy. We live in Illinois on the Mississippi River, more than halfway down the state. Not too far from Chicago, I guess, probably 8-9 hour drive, but it's windy down here as it is up there, so that's fun. It has been windy the past couple days, but the sun is out and it's shining and it feels great. Let me give you a quick little tour of that. Hi everyone, I just finished all that. Again, it is very windy. I'm hoping to actually get a video that doesn't have horrible wind qualities going on in the background. But yeah, thanks for tuning in and sticking with me and seeing everything that I got done in the gardens today outside. And if you can, try and get creative and get in your garden. You guys have a good day. Bye.